into my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the neurotransmitters and their location and their classification. So we start from the neurotransmitter definition. Neurotransmitter is a chemical substances that act as a mediator for the transmission of nerve impulse from one neuron to the other neurons through synapses. It is a messenger of neurological information from one cell to the other cells. History. Evidence of neurotransmitter was first discovered by an Australian scientist named Otto Lewan 1921. He dreamed of an experiment which he did particularly and came out with his discovery. Here is the structure of a neurotransmitter: presynaptic region, postsynaptic region, voltage gated, calcium channel, nerve transmission, receptor, neurotransmitter reuptake, synaptic vesicles are present. The critical for neurotransmitter. Nowadays, many substances are categorized as a neurotransmitter. To consider a substance act as a neurotransmitter, it should fulfill certain criteria as given below. These substances must be found in a neuron. It must be produced by a neuron. It must be released by a neuron. After release, it must be act on a target area and produce some biological effect. After the action, it must be inactivated. The classification of neurotransmitter is depending upon the chemical nature. Amino acid. The neurotransmitter of this group are involved in the fast synaptic transmission and are inhibitory and excitatory in the action. For example, GABA, glycine, glutamate and aspartate. The second one is aminase. Aminase are modified amino acid. The neurotransmitters of this group involve in synaptic transmission and are inhibitory and excitatory in action. For example, noradrenaline, adrenaline, dopamine, serotonin and histamine. The other is the one which do not fit in any these categories. For example, acetylcholine and nitric oxide.